Hey there, Jonathan here at Maple Toyota. Check out this 2023 Ford Lightning. And this is a vehicle that was just traded in right off the bat. We'll go ahead and pop open the frunk. So fully electronic right there. We have about 400 liters of storage space in the front of the vehicle. Go ahead, we can also close that up. And this is super neat looking at night when you have the full light bar across the front of the vehicle. Down here we have 20-inch alloy wheels, running boards down the side, Lightning badging right there, and check this out. It's a fully powered tailgate. You can drop that down. Something else that's pretty cool here, try and show you with one hand. You do have a step. You can pull out a pole right here as well, help you get up and in. Go ahead, we can close that up here. And this truck here does have a aftermarket hard tonneau cover. I apologize for the noise, can't seem to avoid it, but let's go ahead and hop inside. So a really nice place to be up inside the vehicle. Fully digital display right there. Nice heated steering wheel, leather wrapped. Absolutely massive display right there. We have heated front seats. And something that lots of people seem to like is folding shifter right there. Folds right out of the way. You can see the fabric seats right there. And lots of storage space inside. So right now this is the cheapest Ford Lightning in Canada. If you're interested, feel free to send me an email, Johnathan@mapletoyota.com. Thank you.